things you need to know about Ghanaian guys. I am not talking about the female here, okay? I am not talking about the female. Funny things, there's funny things you need to know about Ghanaian guys. That is what I will be telling you guys in this. Hello, my adorable people. It's your one and only Maria Omo Family TV. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please, guys, do. As you do, may God bless you. To my all subscribers, big kisses to you all. Those that will still come across my video, watch and subscribe for me. May God bless you all. Big shout out to you all. Honestly, guys, without you, there is no Maria Omo Family TV. 3 gboza for you guys. Gboza, gboza, gboza for my viewers all over the world. Okay, my people, let's jump on it. My people, funny things you need to know about Ghanaian guys. Yeah, my people, I am not talking about the female. I am talking about the guys here. Because they are just too adorable. They are too funny. So, my people, I want to tell you much about Ghanaian guys. Much about them as a full daughter of Ghanaians. So, I want to tell you more about them. Things you need to know about them. Things that make them get upset easily, things that make them laugh so funny, things that will make them love you more is what I will be telling you in this video. Okay, my people, so before we start, whatsoever you think about this video, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section down below for your baby girl. Are you guys not seeing my coming at this weekend? Are you guys checking it? Are you guys checking my coming at? It's only my Ghanaian people that know the name of this cloth. Yeah, this is called Kente. Not the original one. This one is not the original one, but this one is Kente himself, okay? So, my traditional marriage in Ghana, that is where I will be tying that their Kente. Oh my God, oh my God. Okay, my people. So, let's get started. Hey, my Kwaba people, I say. Okay, let's jump on it. Funny things you need to know about Ghana. And for me, for my own opinion, for my own, you are entitled to your own opinion, okay? For me, the things I really love about them and their funny parts I love about them is how they yob. Oh my God, ah, Ghanaian boys, they can yob. They yob as any other thing. If they yob, be short that if you did, that is. My people won't use pidgin English to talk this one. May we not just use na pidgin English. Ghana more na pardon, na not so na pidgin English with our own. Now just they try, now they understand our pidgin English. Now they understand and now kudos for that. Okay, what see me I like for my Ghana people, but may I just tell now. Now that is if they yob, if they flow. Oh my God, their accent of yobi. Ghana guys, not go there for yobi. For my Nigerian viewers all over the world, we don't know the meaning of yobi, is called brag in English. The way they brag, you know, guys, they do say, Jimmy Papa, you know, the way they are snars, okay, the way they express themselves, guys to guys, maybe they are having issue, you know. Very, very funny. If you are there, you are just going to crack your wrist. You are going to, if you are a Ghanaian, you understand them better. But if you are a foreigner, you are just going to crack your joke. That is have your fun that day. You are just going to laugh and say, so they are just having issue now. Say yes. So it funny me. So I decided to just use it to spend weekend with you guys. Happy weekend, my beautiful people. It's weekend, okay? It's weekend stuff, my adorable people. So I decided to say, let's just use this to enjoy our weekend. And another funny thing again you have to know about Ghanaian guys, their way of dressing. Oh my people, they don't really care. They don't really give a damn. They don't care about rainy things. Like this one is on top, this one is what is rainy, Armani is the one rainy, Versace is the one rainy, Louis Vuitton. Trust me, they are not after that. They don't care about that. Anyone that just comes their way, oh my God, my Ghanaians, my Kwaba people, I to go love now, eh? Oh God, Mona love me like that, eh? Because if you don't love me like that, I go withdraw my love back. Oh, I will just say I no marry una again. Okay, my people. Are you guys sure that one will happen? Oh my God. Okay, the way they dress, oh my God, with their big jeans. Some of them, when they dress like American, when you sit there, nobody is going to tell you that this guy is from Ghana. You are going to know it yourself and say, yes, this guy is from Ghana. The way they dress, you know, the way they do their things is just different. Very funny. They are so amazing. Okay. And another funny part again, I really discover about them. When you are doing any celebration, you invite them to your party. The way they are just guys, they will take that party to the next level for you. They are just going to guys, they will not turn that party to their own party. Oh, forget so. If you never guys, when you are a DJ and you refuse to play that Ghana music for them, immediately you put that Ghana music, the dancing step, the whole is will just change. If you are in Nigeria, you are the one celebrating that party. Just leave the party for them. Oh my God, my Ghanaians. It's shocking to say this woman don't know our secret finish. Yes, now it's a full born of Ghana now. I don't know my lands. I must know their secret now. Yes, of course. That party don't become their own. The way they dance. Oh my God, oh my God. The way they dance. It even make some of their fellow brothers to say, oh yeah, Jimmy, papa. You know, it will even make them to say, you stop it now. You the celebrants, you know. It will not even mind that his brother. He's just ready to dance away his sorrow, be happy, you know. If it is your baby that is celebrating, they are just going to shower that baby with love, with genuine love. When they say genuine love, not let me do it for doing sake. You will see that sincerity in them. That's the way they will. Oh my God, Ghanaians, I don't know how to express my feelings to you guys anymore. We are not there for my belly. Oh my God, my Ghanaians, kudos to you all. Kudos to you all. So, and when they come to your house, when you are celebrating, you're not going to touch anything. Ghana, una mama to take care, una mama to train una. That is the una tradition and culture, I too go love am. Una tradition and culture, no bragging, no like this, I be this. No. Una tradition and culture no be like that. When you are celebrating as a daughter of Ghana, when you are celebrating, they love you, they want to come and celebrate with you. You will not touch anything. The ones when get car, they will bring their car. Any errands. Oh my God. I love to tell you this, guys. So that is the funniest things I love about them so much. That is the way they yell. Their accent is one of my amazing thing that I love so much. Their accent, how many will I name? How many, my people? So Ghanaians, whenever you guys are yobbing each other, trust me, make me happy. The way you guys will talk to yourself, don't kwasia like that. Oh yeah, Jimmy, papa, abua, you know, all those things. I will just be laughing. Okay, guys. So, guys, whatsoever you think about this video, don't take it personal. Okay, so just allow me to express my feelings, how I feel about Ghanaians. Okay, my people. So, whatsoever you think about this video, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section down below for me. Okay, guys, I will get back to you. And I would love to see you all in my next video. No. Before I go, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Turn that bell icon. Always share my video for me. Always give me a thumbs up and amazing comment. As you do so, may God bless you all. See you all in my next video. Au revoir.